Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to fill the table with logical data for a graph. For example, something like this. This is just an example, you can do it with whatever you want. Then we select the whole table, let's go to Insert, Chart. And here, the table should appear. Here to the right, we will be able to configure everything to your liking. In chart type, we will be able to choose the type of graph that we want. If we want it to be linear, with bars, circular, or as we want. Here, you can add and configure the series. In Customize, you can customize everything even more specific, from the color, the font, and more things. Well, once finished, we will adjust the size from the corners keeping the click pressed. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.